Hi students, welcome to this session here at Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I'm Aniruddha Sir, your physics faculty over here. And today we are going to talk about the MET examination. Now MET examination is there for access to Manipal University campuses. So the full form of MET is Manipal Entrance Test, pretty straightforward. And the campuses that you get, the Manipal University campuses, vary throughout the country. So you have one in Manipal, which is towards the southern side of it. You have one in Sikkim. You have one in Jaipur, and you also have one in Bangalore. So you have 4 campuses that you get access to it. All of them are private universities, which means the MET examination is a private exam. You'll only get access to these private engineering colleges. And the exam duration is of 120 minutes. So it's a 2-hour exam, but you also have the number of questions much less. So the exam is completely online, you don't have any offline options, and the language of the paper is strictly English. Again, you don't have any other vernacular options. Type of questions, here it's a bit different. It has both MCQ and numerical, much like JEE Mains, and that is why the number of questions that you have to answer in 120 minutes is less. You only have to answer a total of 60 questions in that 120 minutes. So you get an average time per question of 2 minutes, which is one of the maximum that you get for most engineering examinations. Now the number of subjects are 4 over here. You have the basic physics, chemistry and maths, but you'll also have English over here. Now the number of questions for each is provided over here. As you can see, 10 plus 5 means there are 10 MCQ questions and 5 numerical from physics. Again, 10 MCQ and 5 numerical from chemistry. For maths, you have 15 MCQs and 5 numericals. And for English, all 10 would be MCQs over there. The scoring scheme is different for the MCQ and the numericals. For MCQ, there is negative marking. You get a +4 -1 like you do for JEE Mains. But for the numericals, there is no negative marking. You just have +4 and 0 over there. If you don't attempt it, or if you go incorrect, you will get 0 for numericals. But for MCQs, if you do incorrect, you get -1. If you don't attempt, you get 0 for that. You have total of 2 attempts for that paper in every calendar year. The exam dates are for phase 1 would be in the last week of April, and phase 2 would be in the last week of May. The exact dates have not yet been announced. The last date for application would be 15th of March 2024 for the phase 1 examinations, and for phase 2 it would be in April. Again, it is not yet decided. As it gets decided, as the notification comes out, you would get to know about it. The result declaration, again, it would be in April itself, 2024, but again, this is a tentative date. It might be changing based on other factors. If you want more details about it, you can always check it out over here at their official website of manipal.edu, and you'd get further details if you need them. So that's it from this session, students. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Catch you all again in the next one.